Logitech is launching the Rally Board, a new all-in-one collaboration board for hybrid video conference rooms. We'll explain exactly what it can do and how you can use it, using 3 practical examples. The Logitech Rally Board impresses with a 65-inch 4K touchscreen, which can be operated using the included pens, and these can be attached to the side. Above the display is the sound and video bar, featuring the integrated camera with AI functions, as well as the speaker and microphone setup. The Rally Board can be placed on a table or sideboard using the supplied Credenza table stands, but thanks to the mounting points on the back, you can also attach the Logitech Rally Board cart, another trolley, or a wall mount, allowing you to install the Rally Board however you like. On the back of the Rally Board, behind this magnetic cover, you'll find the integrated cable management. There you can connect all the cables to the ports and neatly route them within the housing and the stands. Of course, the Rally Board comes with several ports, such as an HDMI input. This allows you to connect your own laptop and, for example, access your usual programs. There's also an HDMI output, so you can connect an additional display for even more possibilities. And of course, there are USB-A and USB-C ports for USB sticks or external hard drives, an Ethernet port for network connection, and an auxiliary output for separate speakers. Right from the start, you have the option to configure the Rally Board for Microsoft Teams rooms or Zoom rooms, and in the future, further services will be supported through updates. As you already know from other Logitech devices, Logitech Sync is also included here for easy remote management and device monitoring. Through the menu, you naturally have various settings options, such as noise suppression or the intelligent AI features. For example, you can set the camera to focus on the speaker, so that the person currently speaking is always in the frame. We explained the RightSense2 technology to you in detail in the video about the Logitech MeetUp2. You'll find that linked above. For open meeting room situations, such as in an open space, you are perfectly equipped with the optional Logitech Rally card. With it, you can not only move the Rally Board around within your room or from one room to another, but you also have a practical flip mechanism that allows you to turn the Rally Board over completely. This is useful, for example, if you want to hold meetings both standing up and sitting down. The new laser radar, in combination with the RightSense2 technology, really comes into its own in open spaces, as here you can, for instance, display a visual barrier in your image so that anything happening outside your meeting isn't visible at all. The visual barrier can also be extended with an audio barrier so that only the people currently participating in the meeting can be seen and heard. Since the Logitech Rally Board is an all-in-one solution, meaning everything from the display, speakers, and microphones to the camera is integrated into a single device, you can also use the Rally Board in places where you don't want to install complex technology, such as individual offices or smaller meeting rooms. This means you simply install the Rally Board and immediately have everything you need for your whiteboard sessions or video conferences. The Logitech Rally Board is a perfect solution for anyone looking for a flexible all-in-one board for their meetings or spontaneous huddle sessions, featuring touch functionality and Logitech's proven camera technology, and thanks to the AI function, it's also state-of-the-art. You can find all the information about the Logitech Rally Board in our shop, of course, or you can contact us directly by email, phone, or via chat. I'm Nicholas from visunext. Until next time. Would you like to find out more about Logitech's intelligent AI features? Then I recommend our video on the Logitech MeetUp2. We've explained everything in detail there. And if you don't want to miss any tech highlights, feel free to subscribe to our channel.